morning guys, this is the second day ng ating camping and we use the EcoFlow River Mini overnight. So ito isa sa mga ginamit namin to sustain our gadgets all throughout the night. And ang gamit natin is just an EcoFlow River Mini. So as you can see, sobrang portable, sobrang gaan. Kayang-kaya ko pa siyang hawakan ng isang kamay lang. EcoFlow power station that is very fit, especially if you are just looking for a power station to quickly charge your phone, your gadgets, or any appliances that you have during your camping trip. Pero ano nga ba yung mga nagustuhan pa natin apart from that? Iisa-isahin po natin yan with this vlog.
This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan, check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
For the features ng EcoFlow River Mini, nandun na po sa kanilang website. This one, nasasabihin ko, pwedeng may kulang, pwedeng may sobra. This is just my honest review or honest feedback nung ginamit ko po ito. At ano yung mga na-appreciate ko for a car camper like me. So ang unang na-appreciate ko dito is dahil nga I'm not expecting so much, dahil maliit lang siya, ang expectation ko dito is just for my gadgets. So sobrang sulit niya kasi meron siyang wireless charging. Other power stations that I have that are even more powerful than this, medyo old models na nga lang, is wala silang wireless charging. And ang galing ni River Mini, dahil alam nila na ang target market nito is those guys na mag-charge lang ng kanilang gadgets, so meron siyang wireless charging. Basta may wireless charging feature yung phone mo, ilalagay mo lang dito sa ibabaw niya. And then, you can still use a lot of USB ports. It comes with the Type-C and then 3 USB Type-A. Meron siyang 4 and it's good enough for all of your gadgets bilang camper. And yan yung mga nagustuhan ko. Yung kanyang features for gadgets charging. And then another thing na nagustuhan ko sa EcoFlow River Mini is hindi lang po siya para sa mga gadgets natin. It even comes with this power outlet. Meron pa rin siyang AC charging, hindi lang siya for DC charging. Meron din siya dito. So we even manage to kahit paano reheat our, kumbaga yung para sa baby namin, sa kids, yung kanilang tubig, to make sure na safe yung kanilang tubig. Siyempre, pag nasa campsite tayo, or nasa outdoor tayo, is pinapakuluan natin lahat ng tubig. And ayun, kaya niyang i-run yung ating heater. So, hindi porket portable siya, pang gadgets lang siya, wala na siyang mga ports for AC charging. Kayang-kaya pa rin naman niya. Then, at the same time, our rice cooker. So, we even managed to cook our 3 cups rice with this. Yun nga lang, 50% na kagad yung nabawas. And then, for the electric fan, we managed to sustain the electric fan at number 3 speed for more than 2 hours with that remaining 50% na natira after na ginamit natin yung rice cooker. And then the third thing na nagustuhan ko dito, because this is not the first time na ginamit ko po ang ating EcoFlow River Mini, is pwede rin po siyang ma-recharge using solar panels. Ayun nga, kaya nga meron din po siya dito, ports for the solar input. So kung naka-solar panel kayo, I've tried using a third party, no brand solar panel. Okay naman. Actually, you can buy EcoFlow solar panels. It's quite a bit more expensive than the usual pricing ng mga solar panel. Pero kung you're asking me if this is compatible with third party, yes, it is compatible. It can manage to charge. Basta ayun, do it at your own risk. Better if you will use solar panels na meron nang nag-review at ginamit dito. And that will be one of the next thing na i-discuss po natin para hindi masyadong overwhelming itong video natin. And then lastly, ano naman yung parang kumbaga catch for having this very lightweight, very portable power station. of course, don't expect so much. Kung wala kayong solar panel, this will not last long. Like I said earlier, isang rice cooker pa lang, 50% na kagad. Isang electric fan, 2 hours lang yung tinakbo. So, not so much expectation. Kung iniisip nyo, ito is magtatagal siya. Pero kung gadgets lang naman, laptop, cellphone, I don't have these very figurative numbers pagdating sa benchmark. Pero, I managed to charge my laptop na ginagamit ko siya at the same time nakasaksak dito for more than 3 hours. Apart from dun sa ginamit ko siya for a rice cooker, heater, and then electric fan. So, yun na lang po yung ating basis dun sa paggamit ko. Pero mas tatagal pa naman, may extend pa naman natin yung paggamit dito as long as you have solar panels. If you have solar panels, yes, of course, you can have this unlimited. Pero I don't recommend that na halos hindi nyo na pagpahingain yung power station nyo. Don't abuse it. Let's leave it to the expert how long na kailangan nating pagpahinga ng ating battery, especially during the camping. Pero based on my experience, what I used to do is kahit paano, may pahinga siya during daytime, 2 to 3 hours. That's the time during the sunset. Gusto mo munang i-off lahat ng electronic devices. Ang ganda ng drama ng paligid. There's a very beautiful view and sobrang dramatic yung lighting, di ba? Orange yung sky and then dami kang naririnig ng mga ibon. So, even gumagawa tayo ng mga videos. Kaya nga po, etong part na to, itong talking is kinabukasan ko na ginawa. Kasi I want to enjoy talaga yung experience ng nagka-camp with that EcoFlow River Mini. And ayun, pinagpapahinga ko ang aking power station during that time, mga 2 to 3 hours. And then, of course, at night. Siguro mga madaling araw, hindi mo naman nakakailanganin yung electric fan. Sometimes lang. Pero if you can have a backup, always bring a backup. That's the luxury naman kung meron tayo. Kasi baka isipin nyo kasi pag naka-solar panel na, pwede mo nang gamitin yan 24/7. It works. Pwede naman. Pero, of course, magde-deteriorate. Comes with the battery, magde-deteriorate automatically. Pag ganun lagi, abusuhin natin. Sabi nga nila, lahat ng sobra, masama. Alright, that's it guys, and thank you for joining me with my experience gamit ang EcoFlow River Mini sa ating camping trip.